Welcome to our English learning channel. Hello everyone. Today we're going to watch a conversation about an accidental meeting between two neighbors on the street. In this video, you will follow Sarah and Charlie as they have a small accident with a bike and skateboard. But it leads to a nice friendship. Have you ever met a neighbor by accident? Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the story.
What a beautiful day for a bike ride. I love this neighborhood. The weather is perfect today. Maybe I should ride to the park.
I love skateboarding on this street. It's so smooth and quiet here. The sun feels nice on my face. I should practice my tricks today.
Oh no!
Watch out!
I'm so sorry.
Are you okay?
I didn't see you coming.
It's okay, I'm fine. Are you hurt?
No, I think I'm okay. What about you?
I'm fine, just a little surprised.
I'm really sorry about this.
Don't worry, these things happen.
I'm Charlie, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Charlie. I'm Sarah.
It's nice to meet you too, Sarah.
Even under these circumstances.
Yeah, this wasn't how I planned to meet my neighbors.
Wait, you live around here?
Yes, I live in the blue house over there.
Really? I live just 2 blocks away.
No way! In the White House with the red door?
That's my house. How did you know?
I pass by it every day on my bike.
This is so funny. We're practically neighbors. I love this neighborhood.
Me too. It's so peaceful and quiet.
The people are really friendly here.
Have you lived here long?
About 6 months now. What about you?
2 years. I moved here after college. I love riding my bike around here.
And I love skateboarding on these smooth streets.
How long have you been skateboarding?
About 3 years. It's my favorite hobby.
That's cool. I've been biking since I was a kid.
Maybe we can exercise together sometime.
That sounds like a great idea.
There's a nice park about 10 minutes from here.
The one with the bike path?
Yes, and it has a great area for skateboarding too.
Perfect. When would you like to go?
How about this weekend?
Saturday morning works for me.
Great. What time should we meet?
How about 9 o'clock?
Perfect. I'm usually up early anyway.
Should we meet at the park entrance?
Yes, that's easy to find. Let me give you my phone number.
Good idea. Then we can confirm our plans.
My number is 555-0123.
Got it. Mine is 555-0456.
Perfect. I'll save your contact right now.
Me too. This is great. You know, I'm glad we had that accident.
Really? Why?
Because now I have a new friend.
That's so sweet. I feel the same way.
Sometimes good things come from unexpected situations.
You're absolutely right about that. We should be more careful next time.
Definitely. I usually wear my helmet.
Me too. Safety first, right?
Exactly. And we should watch the intersections.
Good point. I was going too fast.
We both were. Let's be more careful. So what do you do for work?
I'm a teacher at the elementary school.
That's wonderful. I work at the library downtown.
Really? I love the library.
You should come visit sometime.
I definitely will. I love reading books to my students.
That's amazing. I recommend books every day.
What's your favorite type of book?
I love mystery novels. What about you?
I enjoy children's books and adventure stories.
We have a great children's section at the library. Maybe after the park, you can visit the library.
That sounds perfect.
I can show you all the best books.
And maybe you can meet some of my students.
I would love that.
They always need help with reading. I should probably head home soon.
Me too. It's getting late.
This was really nice, Charlie.
I had a great time talking with you, Sarah.
I'm so glad we bumped into each other.
Literally bumped into each other. I'll see you Saturday at 9.
I'll be there. Don't forget your helmet.
I won't. You bring your knee pads.
Deal. Have a good evening, Charlie.
You too, Sarah. See you soon.
Bye. Thanks for being so nice.
I hope you enjoyed this story about Charlie and Sarah's accidental meeting. Sometimes the best friendships start in the most unexpected ways. Have you ever made a friend after a small accident? Please share your story in the comments below. Remember, learning English through stories like this helps you practice natural conversations. If you liked this video, please subscribe and don't forget to like it. See you next time.